In celebration of the RSAF's 55th anniversary, the Air Force is organising the RSAF55 Open House this weekend. Visitors to the open house can enjoy activities in our fairground, such as interactive exhibits, static displays, hands-on simulators, as well as carnival-themed activities. They will also be able to view the aerial capability display and interact with our airmen and women of the Air Force, and also take part in familiarization rides on our aircraft. This is the first time that we are bringing the phygital concept, the fusion of physical and digital. Visitors will be able to have a customized experience. Everyone will have an individual NFC tag that will allow them to go around, have various interactive hands-on experiences. No tickets are required and admission is free. I'm looking forward to welcoming everyone to the open house this weekend.